Hey guys, today I'll walk you through how to add content to a SharePoint page in SharePoint Online. At the top right of your SharePoint page, click the Edit button. The page will enter editing mode and you'll see section controls and web part zones appear. Hover your mouse below the title area or between any existing web parts on the page. When you hover, you'll see a horizontal line appear with a circled plus icon in the middle. Click that circled plus icon. This opens the web part picker, which shows all the different types of content. You can add things like text, images, documents, embedded videos, and more. Choose the type of content you want to add. For example, if you want to add a paragraph or heading, click on text in the list. If you want to add an image, click image. You can also use the search box at the top of the picker to find specific web parts. Once you click your choice, the web part will appear on the page right where you clicked the plus icon. Click inside the web part and start typing, pasting, or configuring whatever you need. For text web parts, you'll get a formatting toolbar where you can style your text, add bullets, create links, and adjust indentation. For other web parts like images or document libraries, you'll configure them differently. Just follow what the web part asks for. If you need more control over how the web part looks or behaves, click the small pencil icon at the top left of the web part. This opens a property pane on the right side where you can adjust settings like layout, size, and view options. Not every web part needs this step, but it's there if you want to customize things further. To add more content, hover above or below your existing web parts again. You'll see new circled plus icons appear. Click any of them to open the web part picker again and add another piece of content. You can add as many web parts as you need to build out your page. When you're done, click the Publish button at the top right. If you're editing a page that's already published, the button might say Republish instead. If you're not ready to make the page live yet, you can click Save as Draft. That saves your changes, but keeps the page hidden from anyone who doesn't have edit permissions. Your content auto-saves as you work, but publishing is what makes it visible to everyone on your site. After publishing, you can click Promote if you want to share the page as news or send notifications to site members. Draft pages stay visible only to people with edit permissions until you publish. And that's how to add content to a SharePoint page. If this was useful, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.